大家好, hello everyone. 谢谢你们来看我们的 YouTube channel. Thank you for coming and watching our YouTube channel. So this video I am recording for those students who want to give HSK4 exam, and especially those students who are studying medicine in China or are planning to study medicine in China. The reason for me to make this video is because I get a lot of inquiries from students who are final years or about to get their degree. So when they reach their final years or clinical posting year, they need to have HSK4 certificate. So some universities need HSK4 certificate. So whenever students approach me, they are in a very hurry to get the certificate, because without that certificate they can't get their degree or they can't go for clinical posting. And many students feel just knowing the HSK4 vocabulary will help them to clear the exam. So the reason for me to make this video is I just wanted to tell you, just by knowing the vocabulary you may not be able to clear the HSK4 exam. The reason being, the vocabulary is one part of learning, but apart from that you also need to understand how to use those words, right? How to use those characters, what is the usage of those words, and how to use those in sentences. That becomes very much important for the reading part. So as all of you must know that HSK4 exam has three parts: the listening, reading, and writing. And I'm not getting into the listening part. So in the reading part, there are few sections or subsections where you have to read the small short passages, comprehend those passages, and give your answer. If you've seen the HSK4 sample test paper, the questions from section 56 to 65, the questions 56 to 65, so they have given you three sentences, and then you have to arrange the sentences in sequence. How will you be able to arrange it? Only once you know the grammar points, right? So how the sentence structure is. Even for the writing part, right? So in the writing part, there is one section where you have to rearrange the sentence. Just knowing characters will not help you to rearrange the sentence correctly, because you need to know the sentence structure. And the sentence structure you can write correctly only if you know the grammar points associated with the words, right? So that's why my suggestion to you is, anyways you are putting your efforts to learn the vocabulary. So once you know the vocabulary, you can identify the characters. Why don't you go and use the HSK4 books? So there are two books for HSK4 which you can use. So this is the one book, the book 1, and this is a book 2, right? So you can use these books. So these books have, along with the vocabulary, it also has very detailed reading passages, reading dialogue, which will help you to understand the words, how to use it. And it also explains a lot of grammar points. Again, my suggestion to you is, please just don't rely on list of vocabulary. You have to read, understand the words correctly, how to use it. And as you know that writing section, so there are three sections as I mentioned. Each section carries the equal number of marks, like 100 for listening, 100 for reading, and 100 for writing. But if you look at the writing section, it actually has very less questions. So that means each question carries more weightage. So if you understand the sentence, let's say if you can write rearranging the sentence correctly, so definitely your score will go up. Because many students, they approach me and they say, oh, they attempt HSK4 2 or 3 times, but they were just could not clear it by 1 marks or 2 marks or 3 marks, like that. So that is why, because you are completely depending on the vocabulary, which is not going to help you. So please use these books. If you are doing the self-study, please use these books along with the vocabulary. It's definitely going to help you to clear HSK4 exam. So that's my small suggestion from my side. If you have any questions related to HSK exams or specifically to HSK4, please feel free to write to us, to ask us, and I would try to answer your question. Thank you so much. 谢谢你们。